Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 405. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change display brightness level manually. Then we can enable or disable dark mode and schedule it. Eye comfort mode, also schedule it. And change its intensity. Next we can enable or disable reading mode, D&D mode, and enable automatically for apps. Then we can change sleep timeout between 15 seconds, 30 minutes or never. Next we can enable auto-rotate screen, internet speed indicator in status bar, change battery percentage icon, enable notifications icons folder, and hide notch. Then we can change font size, and in more display settings we can manage full screen display for apps. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.